We wait for this kind of event and then try to have a reporting done.
Urban setup should have this little green in their pocket. So that's a really nice exercise.
All you get to see the people who are really interested in plants.
Having a connection with the plants which you grow and then exchanging the plant is like a totally different exercise, not just a planting.
Changing a baby.
So my favorite part was like to pick up whatever I like.
Many plants really hard to kill. Just plant it, you'll definitely get that positive vibe. Anybody can do it. It's just a very normal thing.